Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys a couple ways on how to fix the Roblox error code being error code 292. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and I'll be giving you guys a bit of insight on what exactly error code 292 is. So this error has to do with when you're trying to run Roblox on any device, be it your mobile phone, like let's say your iPhone, or you're playing Roblox on an Android device or your PC, and you run out of memory, or rather, your device is too low on memory to run the game. Now, there are a couple ways to fix this. Number one, if you're on your iOS device, is you need to close out of some applications that may be um, eating some memory or resources from your phone. So let's say that you have a lot of tabs open on Safari or your browser app, I should say, or you have YouTube open. You guys would want to close out of this. Now, this seems like a simple fix, but you guys would be very surprised by how well this actually works in real time. Now, if that still doesn't work, you guys can actually try reinstalling Roblox on your phone, or you could update your iOS device. And normally, this actually helps as it brings you the most optimized packages from Apple. Now, if you guys are in PC like me, and you seem to run out of memory while running the game, you guys can simply try to run the game as administrator, as this actually gives Roblox um, admin zero privileges. So this means that it would allocate all of your resources onto the game when you try to launch it. Now, another thing that you guys can try is, while this may seem like a last resort kind of thing, is to upgrade your PC. Because at the end of the day, it's a memory problem. So a simple fix would be to buy more RAM. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.